Thanks, Mom.
Yeah.
Your wife will be so happy to see you.
We'll see.
Where is this girl? Love it! Where is... Love it, come on! Love it! Your husband is here!
So tell us, how did it go?
Dad, I'm tired. I need to get some rest.
I know, but just at least let us.
It's a story for another.
Look at you. It's a story for today.
My husband is here.
Come on, it's nothing. Oh, come on.
He just came back and he's a little bit...
He just wants to take a nap. That's all, nothing.
He's just running away as if he saw a ghost. What have I done?
Oh, it's nothing. He's not the hug kind of person, you know?
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.